From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your afternoon weather update.
Hey folks, happy Saturday. It is fantastic out there. Check this out. Widespread mid-70s across the area. But wait, is there a catch out there? Maybe it's humid, maybe it's cloudy out there. Let's take a look at some conditions that answer that question. No. The answer is no here in Lawrenceburg right now. Fantastic out there. Sunny and 75, a few patchy cumulus clouds, more what you'd expect to see this time of year as opposed to those high-level clouds, these kind of convective cumulus. Sign of the times, though, there's some moisture moving into the Tennessee Valley. Humidity's at 61%. The dew point is near 60, so at 73 degrees with winds out of the south and west at about 10 miles an hour. That definitely is a sign that there's moisture coming into the valley. That's setting up the chance of rain as we head over the next 12 to 24 hours. But we'll discuss that more in a few moments. Hopping across the state line, looking fantastic. We're looking at a different angle today here at our Florence Harbor camera, looking at the parking lot there. You can see a few patchy waves on the water there. That's because it still is a little bit gusty here as well. Wind at the south at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Humidity 60%. Dew point's already up to 61 there, so the moisture is definitely starting to rise up through the valley. And of course, Florence Harbor is a little bit further south in southern middle Tennessee, so you'll see that a little bit before on the models and on real-time indication. So here's the Futurecast next 24 hours, getting up to near 80 for most of us across the Tennessee Valley today. There's those patchy clouds. I don't think we're going to deal with any rain, at least until through the evening. Notice here a few patchy showers starting to pop up through about 5, 6 o'clock, not widespread or anything like that. Most of us will probably be dry still by then. But notice this, off to the south, off to the west especially, rain moving into the Tennessee Valley here through about midnight into the early hours of tomorrow morning. Really fizzles out though through about 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, and I think we'll be dry as we wake up and start heading into church with temperatures near the 50s as we're heading into church there. You see, we kind of have a front coming through, so it does cool us off temporarily there. But we warm up pretty nicely back up in to the mid, perhaps upper 60s as we head into tomorrow with clear skies for our Sunday. Take a look at the hometown forecast just to see on a city-by-city basis for our highs. I think mid to upper 60s is a decent bet, especially if those clouds move out of here. I think these upper 60s will be a little bit more widespread, but as it is, we'll call it mostly clear to partly cloudy at times. 65 in Lawrenceburg, 68 in Chapel Hill, 67 in Columbia, and 67 there in Ardmore. Those early morning showers and storms are starting to ping here. That's what this is. I think that rain will be out of here by the time we're heading through the afternoon. Again, widespread mid to upper 60s for our highs in northwestern Alabama for our tomorrow day as we wrap up the weekend. So GFS is our extended model. See what we have in store. Looks like a fantastic week. No two ways about it as we head through the first and middle half. We get this high pressure system off to our southeast, keeps us dry, keeps us warm. In fact, a warming trend's coming as we head through the work week. Looks like some showers might be to the north of us here, but I think we stay dry for our Tuesday as well. Wind back out of the south, so that's beginning our warming trend there. System manifesting off to our west there, but it fizzles out before it even gets here. Maybe a few very, 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 very scattered showers as we head through Thursday, but it's not going to be a washout or anything like that. There's a lot of moisture in the Tennessee Valley, though, so we do have to watch that for the chance of those storms starting to build up by the end of the week. But I really don't think it's going to be that impactful, to be honest with you, which is a really nice thing to say, especially in April in this part of the country. Here's the temperature trend that I was talking about. You can see we do cool off over the next couple of days. That's what I was talking about earlier. But we're on a steady climb up through the middle portions and end portions of the work week through the 70s. To be honest with you, I think we're going to see some low 80s by the time we're heading through Wednesday and into Thursday towards the latter half of the work week. In fact, let me show you the 7-day forecast. Here's what I'm talking about. Looks like that's what we need to watch out for, those scattered showers and storms here. Don't think it's going to be too impactful first half of the day, but as we head through Thursday into Friday, that's when the next chance of more widespread rain and storms is. I don't think it's going to be too impactful or anything like that, but something to keep an eye on because it's never fun to get caught in one of those downbursts, especially in the warm season. Warming up through the midweek and really just a fantastic week to look forward to. No two ways about it. I think all in all, this is really one of the most spring-like forecasts you could ask for. Thanks for watching this forecast update. I'll leave you this look at your 7-day forecast just so you can take it all in, and God bless.